Millions of years ago, Africa was a continent of immense environmental and evolutionary change. It was here, in this dynamic landscape of shifting forests, grasslands, and deserts, that the earliest ancestors of humans evolved. Around 7 to 6 million years ago, species like Sahelanthropus cadensis and Ornithogenensis appeared in what is now Central and East Africa. These species are among the earliest known hominins, beings that walked upright and are more closely related to humans than to chimpanzees. Their discovery suggests that the human lineage began in Africa not long after it split from our common ancestor with apes. By about 4 million years ago, Australopithecus species, such as the famous Lucy, Australopithecus afarensis, were walking upright across the African savannas. These early hominins lived in a mix of woodland and open grassland environments, where they likely combined climbing with bipedal walking. Over time, climate shifts driven by tectonic activity and changing global temperatures forced species to adapt to new conditions. This included more arid environments and open landscapes, which may have pressured early humans to develop new survival strategies. By about 2.9 million years ago, stone tool use had emerged, as seen in the Oldowan industry, some of the oldest tools ever found, discovered in Kenya and Ethiopia. These tools marked a revolutionary leap in human evolution, enabling early Homo species, like Homo habilis, to process meat and plant materials more efficiently. Around the same time, robust species like Paranthropus boisé coexisted with more gracile, tool-using hominins. Later, about 1.9 to 1.2 million years ago, Homo erectus, or Homo ergaster, evolved in Africa, with a body and brain size more similar to modern humans. This species is notable for being the first to leave Africa, migrating into Asia and Europe. By roughly 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, our own species, began to appear, first evidenced by fossils from Jebel Irhoud in Morocco. These early humans exhibited modern traits such as more advanced tools, symbolic behavior, and eventually, complex language. They would go on to spread throughout Africa and later into the rest of the world, replacing or interbreeding with other archaic humans like Neanderthals. Africa's role as the cradle of humanity is not only symbolic, it is scientifically grounded. Nearly every major milestone in human evolution, from upright walking to the first tools and the emergence of modern humans, can be traced back to African soil. The continent's ever-changing environments, combined with its geological activity and diverse ecosystems, shaped the path of human evolution in profound ways. Understanding Africa millions of years ago gives us the key to understanding where we come from and how we became human.